grown-ups, welcome back to Kidding Around. My name is Melanie Smith and this is your weekly update. This week your kids will be doing a Test Tube Tuesday lesson, a Thoughtful Thursday lesson, and a Wonderful Woman lesson on Saturday. On Tuesday we'll be talking about bubbles and your kids will learn how to make bubbles in bubbles. On Thursday, your kids will be able to make these really cool flag pins that then they can give to a soldier or a veteran. And on Saturday, we'll be talking about the famous fashion designer Madeleine Vionnet, and your kids will get to make their very own paper people with the fashions that they create. All of the supplies needed for all of these activities are listed below this video, and they're also on the individual videos as well. Thank you so much. Have a great week.